Welcome back to our greenhouse series, and I think this one is probably gonna be for now the last video. In the past video, as you saw, we put the door on and it already has made a huge difference in here, and in this video we have to fully seal it up. We need to put the door that goes to the goats and also probably close the top. We're gonna see how the temperature goes. And most importantly, what we have to do is we have to put some shelves, probably only on one side. I think on this side, as you can see, we have brought out our tomato saplings and they do need to be split because they're growing a bit too crazy, but I don't have enough space inside, so we need to build some shelves over here so I can spread them all nicely. I already have prepared the trays, but as you can see, I don't have the space, so that's why we need to get the shelves. And make sure to check my channel in case you're more interested in gardening, homesteading, goat babies and everything. That's gonna be all, that is all in my channel. So yeah, let's stop talking. Let's go cut the shelves that we're gonna put so we can still use the spray gun before we wash it up and put it away. So yeah, let's go outside and spray gun the shelves. As you can see, we have finished the shelves, but now we are gonna stain them because we don't want to leave them raw wood anyways. If I'm doing any planting or anything, it will get dirty, dirt will fall in it, so might as well just make it dark from the start. Even though I do like it bright in here, but I think it just makes more sense also for the wood to last longer to stain it, because as I said, dirt will fall in and it will get wet maybe if I'm watering the saplings. So let's now bring it all back outside, but we had to assemble it this way so we can see how much we need to do, how much we need to cut each time, because as you see, it has like a really nice pattern as well. So let's now quickly bring it outside and finally stain it. absolutely gorgeous together with the sunset. It looks so dreamy. As you can see, we finished. They're all stained and installed. They still have to dry a bit, but we didn't want to get them in for the beautiful sunset moment, but they can also dry as they are. Now, last thing we have to do for today is to put on the top part of the goat door. We still have tomorrow, we're gonna close the top. We'll see how the temperature is, but we'll probably close a bit at the top, not to leak too much hot air out. But I think it is now 8:30, so the sun is setting much later already, slowly getting closer to the midsummer. We still have some time, and we're still having 16, 17 degrees and 60 something Fahrenheit. I cannot see that far, so it's roughly somewhere in 16 Fahrenheit. And yeah, so let's now put the door window on top, and maybe we can leave the tomatoes here for tonight. I am scared to risk it, but we might leave them. So let's now quickly put on the door, and that's gonna be it for now. I'm hoping. Yeah. There you go.
Finish it off.
So we have attached the top part of the door. Fun fact, we actually yesterday were messing around, I think for half an hour to get it done, and we kept putting the hinge elbow on, so now we did it within like 5 minutes, so it's all done. As you saw, we also put these ones to kind of hold it all together. So we are gonna put a wood in front, and we still have to do all the taps. We are gonna see how the temperature is for the tomatoes, but that is not something you need to worry. So we're gonna see you tomorrow once we also get another latch for here and do some more fix-ups. So see you in a second.
Pretty straight.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Full length, yeah, it's 6 meters exactly. So
6 meters, so we cut it in half. 3
we
meters.
have 5 meter tens, I think. So,
okay.
But we have to do it till middle of the wood, because otherwise we have nowhere to attach to.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I could measure what's left over and then cut that off from the 6.
So the greenhouse is actually pretty big. I don't know if you know how big it is, but it's 6 meters by 240.
250.
250 by, yeah, I guess 6 meters.
6
Minus the door.
meters by 250.
Yeah.
So
Pretty big.
it's 15 square meters exactly. Got it?
No. Does it not go more?
Just let me know when I can push.
I can't bend it. I'm gonna crack it. Just cut it. I don't know what we're messing around here. As you can see, it is getting hotter and hotter, not only in the greenhouse, but also outside. And here's our pile of getting undressed. So we're actually one step away from finishing.
Still hot.
It's still hot.
I would go either tank top and swimming shorts or no top and swimming shorts.
But we're literally one step away.
Okay, let's cut the edge straight.
It's hot. We also left the biggest piece for the end.
And then all the way up. And you need to align it nicely. I cannot tell you. Maybe get a hammer.
But get a
mine
hammer.
kind of stuck in.
Get a hammer. Oh, I'm sweating.
Can you hammer it?
Yeah, sure.
It's a big boy hammer. But it goes fast. Yeah, that we could have expected.
Yeah.
Theoretically, it was just sticked in.
I was expecting it. That's why.
Wait, let's put it perfectly. Is that nice?
Yeah. I'm also with
Gimme,
my
gimme,
left
gimme,
hand. There you go. No? Yeah. Ooh, it actually looks pretty cool with the live edge.
Up.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I can go higher.
There you go.
One.
So, as you can see, we have finished. This does not look the best, but it is functioning and it definitely looks better than what it was before. The problem is that when we were building the roof and everything, we did not really think ahead. So we were just building whatever it is at that point, and kind of biting us in the butt now because it's nothing aligned, nothing correct. Beams are deeper, those are further out, so it's like a mess. So we tried to make the best out of it. But I think here, where we did it from scratch, you can tell the improvement, how good we're getting. So now the greenhouse is sealed, and we currently also have the door open because it is kind of getting a bit hot. But as I said, it's gonna be only like for 3 days, the extreme heat, and then it goes back down a bit. So we gotta make it sealed as possible for now and for next spring. So we still have to do the windows, and we're not sure. We wanted to also close the very top, but I'm not sure if we're gonna do that. If we need this year, we're gonna always keep checking the temperatures. And yeah, but I think for now the interior is done. So the project is finished for now, so we can move on with something else, which we don't really exactly know what, because the weather is nice, but we don't want to start a big project because it does get again worse, the weather. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do, but for now that is gonna be it. We still have to also make the beds. Not sure if we're gonna be in this video, in this channel, or in mine. And I also have to now work on my seedlings and put them all in bigger trays, but that is gonna be, as I said, in my channel, so make sure to check it out there in case you're interested. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this series. Let us know what you think. I definitely think that this greenhouse turned out definitely better than I was expecting, or what I intentionally wanted. And I think for the amount of days, I think in total it took us 4 to 5 days to finish it up. and one more day it would be the beds and the windows. So I think that's pretty good. So let us know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you in the next project.